Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to scan documents using your iPhone 14. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require any additional apps. First, let's open the Files app. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Scan Documents. This is where the magic happens. Place your document within the camera's view. You can choose Auto for automatic capture or Manual if you prefer. I'm using Auto to make it easier. Once the document is captured, you can edit it. You can crop manually, choose between color, grayscale, or black and white, and even rotate or delete images. After editing, hit the Save button at the bottom. Don't forget to rename your document for easy identification. And there you have it. Your document is now saved as a PDF, which you can share, rename, or delete as needed. This feature makes document scanning effortless, and it's totally free on your iPhone 14. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for more tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll reply. This is Everything signing off.